comes. He's flying around. Come here, bud. He's on my head. So, yeah, you know, I just let him fly around sometimes. Yeah, you know, whenever he lands somewhere, I just pick him up and bring him back to the cage. So, here, let's do one more flying one. Come here. So, let's see if I can get him to go on. Wrong way. Back to your cage. There we go. So yeah. Oh, you can't really see him there. There we go. So yeah, I'll do some more videos on him. Maybe I'll try to get him to do some whistles and stuff. But that'll be all for this one. And yeah. See if I can get him to say something. You gonna talk? See what I mean by, like, he doesn't like hands and stuff? Like, once a hand goes near him, he's like, oh, I want to bite you. So yeah, that's it for this one. Let's see if he'll fly over one more time. Come on, bud. It's usually when he can't see me. Come on. He won't do it. But yeah, that's all for this one. And I'll see you guys next time.